Dobbies Garden Centre clearly see EV charging as a potential growth area for their business. So they have another EV charging partner, BEV. I've never used a BEV, ultra rapid charging, but they seem to be using kempower chargers, and they're claiming to use 150 kilowatt charging capacity installs. But interestingly, they're using a picture of a GridServe hub to advertise their BEV hubs, which is a bit odd. Look, you can see these kempower chargers here, which are absolutely fantastic. They dynamically load balance technology, which means that none of the power bars are in these little sticks, and you can therefore share the power in between them much more effectively. But yeah, let's have a look where their hubs are. There's in Huntingdon, which is near Cambridge, Shepton, Chesterfield, Aylesbury, Cirencester, Birtley in Yorkshire, Altrincham and Royston. Not quite available yet, but hopefully soon. Huntington's the only one that's available quite yet. Let me know what you think and if you've used one before, and if you rate the kempower charging units, which seem very popular with different brands at the moment.